Imagine this. A tiny fishing boat, tossed around like a toy in a raging storm off the coast of Portland. Inside, a fisherman named Bobo is fighting for his life. Massive waves crash over his boat, one after another, until finally, silence. The engine is dead. Adrift in the darkness, with the storm howling, Bobo sends a desperate prayer into the wind. Father God, please don't leave me here. As night falls, all hope seems lost. There's no sign of rescue, just the endless, angry sea. But then, a flicker, a faint light in the distance. Miraculously, a cruise ship, blown miles off its course by the very same storm, spots the tiny beam from Bobo's flashlight. They pull him from the water, cold and shaking, but alive. The captain, amazed, tells him, "Your light flashed at the exact second we were passing." Bobo, with tears in his eyes, simply replies, "That wasn't me, that was God." It was a true miracle at sea. If this story moved you, please like, share, and subscribe for more.